Warning: please read the warnings we make in the more information section of our channel. We are not responsible for the information herein.
A powerful, natural and permanent chemical-free dye to cover your white hairs. We are all aware that gray hair is a big aesthetic problem for many people. This issue affects both men and women. It contributes to your appearance and makes you appear older than you actually are. The gray hairs can be caused by various factors, such as heredity, excessive stress, unhealthy diet and lack of sleep. The market offers a wide range of different hair dyes which claim they can cover gray hairs. However, besides the fact they are quite expensive, they are also packed with chemicals which damage your scalp and hair. Fortunately, there are many natural remedies and ingredients, such as onions and coffee, which can provide amazing results and color your hair naturally. Moreover, there is an effective natural rinse made of potato peels, which has proven to be 100% effective. Here's the recipe. Potato peel rinse. Ingredients: 1 bottle of shampoo, 1 conditioner, 6 potatoes, 1 pot, 1 colander. Instructions: start by peeling the potatoes and set them aside. Then, boil the potato peels in 2 liters of water in a pot for about 30 minutes. Next, strain it and leave it to cool down completely before pouring it into a bottle. In order to use this chemical-free hair dye, wash your hair using a shampoo in order to hydrate it and keep the gray hairs from becoming fragile. You can pour the liquid directly on the hair sections or use a small hair dyeing brush to saturate each section. Then, leave it to work for 20 minutes. Finally, apply a conditioner. You should repeat this process every time you wash your hair. Why are potato peels so effective? Potato peels are an ancient remedy for gray hairs. They have been used to color fabrics and are completely safe and very effective. The potato peel contains starches, which act as a colorant that will slowly darken gray hair.